Hello everyone, welcome to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to make some congratulation card using my cocktail stamp set. But first I need to make some background for my cocktails, and that is why I'm drawing some dots. Now I will use masking fluid to mask all of the dots I drew. And I need to wait for a while because the fluid needs to be completely dry. In the meantime, I'm choosing my drinks, and I couldn't wait to use them. So I'm going to stamp this big one, and it's going to be Sex on the Beach drink. The second one is going to be margarita with lemon. And the last one, I think I will use this glass of wine, and it's going to be a red wine. Let's get back to my background. I have these two yellow inks, one from Memento and the second one from DecoTime. And I'm going to blend my background, and we will see how this masking fluid works, because I'm really curious. This is the first time when I'm using it. So let's see. Oh, by the way, I'm choosing my blending tool, and as I was expecting, the sponge is okay for me, but this this black material, it doesn't work at all. And the white one, I think I need to get back to the sponge, and I hope I will fix it somehow, because it looks terrible. Okay, the background is ready. I need to wait for a while until it will completely dry, and then I will remove my masking fluid. Well, I have to tell you, it's not that easy to remove. Next time I need to put a little bit less of a masking fluid. And now I'm painting my glass of wine. It was a little bit hard for me to create the beautiful red wine color. I don't know why, but I had a real problem with this. I hope it's going to look, let's say, real. And now it's time for margarita. Now I realized that I could make some more margarita, and now it looks like it's the end of the drink, but well, it has to stay like that. And now Sex on the Beach drink. I really don't remember if the red color should be at the bottom or on the top of the drink. Well, in my drink is in the bottom. Anyway, I think it tastes amazing. Let out some bubbles. I don't have dies for the stamps, so I need to cut them with very small thin scissors, but it's not so hard to cut these glasses. It's okay for me. Okay, I have an idea to make a sugar, and that is why I put some glue on my glass, and then I will use some glitter, and I hope it's going to work and looks like a sugar. Now I'm using my embossing pen, and I'm going to use some embossing powder and put some glitter on my umbrella. Okay, I think it looks so cute. So it's time to arrange my drinks and the signs, of course. I have 3 kinds of foam tapes, and they're going to be very useful now. I decided to add some glitter dots to the glass of wine as well. And my card is ready. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my card, and please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon in my new movie. Bye!